everyone, welcome back to In My Mug. Today's episode is 681, coffee from Guatemala. I'm going to brew this coffee with espresso machine. If you're brewing espresso machine like we are, turn your espresso machine on now. If not, put your kettle on and let's get brewing. So, we've been working with this farm since 2007, and El Bosque farm is located right near the Guatemalan city. And because of El Bosque is close to the city, the land is at a premium. El Bosque is getting smaller and smaller year by year, and so we need to appreciate this great coffee while we have them. So, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to brew this coffee with the espresso machine. I chose this espresso brewing method because when I was cupping it, it had nice biscuity and malted milk biscuit kind of hazelnutty flavor. So I thought, why not brew with espresso? So let's get brewing. So, okay, I haven't been used espresso machine for a while. I was a barista 5 years ago, and I've been making coffee, quite frankly, maybe 400 cups a day. And there you go. So this coffee, you need about 18 grams of coffee in a basket, and you need about 30 to 35 grams of liquid out. And you're looking at between 30 seconds to about 40 seconds brewing time. So tear the scale. And grind size is typical, very fine grind size. And before you tamp this coffee, I make sure to distribute inside of this basket so it doesn't have more coffee on the side or in the middle, so on. And then this time I use pack press. You can also use a tamper. When you tamp your tamper, make sure to make your elbow angled 90 degrees so you can tamp quite firmly. And it looks like this. Purge the water, wipe it down, and then start. It's a little bit fast. If the coffee is running a little fast, make sure to change the grind size a little bit finer, so coffee will run a little bit slower. Or alternatively, you could increase the dose. So instead of using 18 grams, you can use 19 grams, but it might cause the over extraction taste. So it's maybe make a bitter flavor in the cup. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, the coffee is running slow. That's okay. And when you change the grind size, make sure to run the coffee once. So there's usually some coffee grind left inside of the grinder, which is like the previous grind size. So make sure to get rid of the ground coffee and run the coffee again. Touch it. Okay. Nice. This machine is a quite powerful machine, so it might not take as long as your home espresso machine. If you are struggling to get really nice silky foam, make sure to add enough air into the milk and make sure it will make a nice texture and then develop it while you're steaming. So to begin with, you like to put this tip of this steam on into the milk, but not too deep, just like touching the basically milk. You can also use this spout to guide your steaming. So basically not like that, like this. Woo. Okay. So I heat this jug up because I'm going to transfer some of the steamed milk into this little jug to be able to control the flow of the milk. And if it's cold jug, the air might disappear. So make it a little bit warmer. Okay, I'm gonna try, what should I try? Tulip? There you go. Okay, so coffee's ready. Let's taste this beautiful Guatemala Bosque Bourbon washed. It's really good. I really enjoyed making this coffee on the espresso machine. I tasted it with an espresso and in a cupping bowl as well, but the taste is a little bit different if you try it in an espresso or cupping bowl. So in a cupping bowl, you could taste a little bit of like hazelnutty and a nice apple flavor. But when you taste with espresso, it's more juicy, syrupy sweetness, like almost like caramel, apple, and in the end, you can definitely taste hazelnut. I'm really impressed with my latte art, to be honest. It's very delicious. So, did you guys enjoy this week's In My Mug? Let me know if you want to know any other brewing method or any different way of brewing AeroPress or maybe mocha pot. Let me know in the comment in below, and I'd like to know what you are enjoying your coffee with. Thank you very much for watching, and happy brewing. Oh, so good.